Okay, let's start by searching for opengameart.org and then search for bird. Let's choose this one. Download the bird and move it to the Unity. Okay, now we need a background. So let's go back to OpenGameArt and let's search for background. Then choose any background you want. Actually, I already downloaded this one. So let's download the package and move it to Unity Hub. Okay, now move it to the scene and make the background borders matches the main camera borders. Exactly like this. Then let's rename it. Now move the bird to the background. Now you can't see it because the order on layer should be 1 to be on the top of the background. Rename it to bird. Then let's go back to the site and search for square. I already downloaded this one. So download the square and move it to the Unity Hub. The same thing, move it to the scene. Change the order on layer to 1. And hold shift and make it smaller. Okay. Now let's rename it to square. Okay, and now we need to add a rigid body to the component to make the bird fall down. The same as the square, so add a rigid body 2D. Now run the project. Now you see the bird and the square fall down, but they didn't touch the background. Now we have to add a box collider to the background to make the collisions between the bird and the square. So add box collider 2D. Now edit to match the whole. Okay, let's make it again. Edit. Okay, make it again. Now edit to make it match the grace line, to touch the grace line, to make the collisions with the grace line. So the same thing with bird. Now with bird we need to add, now here we have the colliders, all the colliders, box colliders, capture colliders, circle colliders, and composite colliders. We have edge collider and polygon collider and tile map collider. Now in this case we need a polygon collider actually to match the bird shape. So the same, we can edit the collider by edit here, click the label of editing. Yeah, just like unnecessary editing, you can just left like that. And save the changes, run the project. Okay, now you can see the bird touch the grass line. Now we need to add the same thing to the square, but in this case we have to add just box collider to take the square shape. Now just edit to touch the square border and save the changes, run the project. Now you see both the bird and the square touch the cross line.